Hello everyone. Take 3 sections of the hair and then make a braid out of it. Tie a rubber band to it. Join it with the rest of the hair as well. At the base, tie another rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up and tie it up. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side. Take 2 more sections, join both of these at the back. Take the second section of the hair, pull it through the first. Join 2 sections of the hair at the back and then roll it in on itself. At the bottom, make a ponytail. Divide the hair into 3 sections, add rubber bands in the middle of each of the 3 sections, roll them in on itself, and then make a bun out of it by lifting it up. Take the top section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Tie a rubber band at the base. Once more, as for the bottom, roll the hair up. Take a section of the hair from the top, tie it up at the back. Take 2 more sections from either side, once more tie it up at the back. At the base, tie a rubber band to it and roll the hair up into a bun. Add a decorative clip. Next, start off by tying a ponytail. Bend the hair slightly and add a rubber band to it. At the bottom as well, tie a rubber band and then wrap the hair around the bun. Adjust it accordingly, add a decorative clip. Divide the hair into 2 sections, taking one of the sections, make a braid on one of the sides. Loosen this braid by using your fingers. Do the same on the other side as well. Now, roll the right side of the braid up and pin it up to the left side and vice versa. Take the top section of the hair, tie it up at the back, loosen some strands using your fingers. Add a rubber band at the base, roll the hair in on itself, lift it up as such. Roll the hair in on itself to make this particular shape. As with the rest of the hair, make 2 braids out of it on either side. Lift the braids up and tie them up on the opposite ends accordingly. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, join them at the back. Repeat the same step one more time. Put the second section through the first. At the bottom, tie a ponytail and then add a rubber band at the base. Roll the hair up into a bun. Divide the hair into 2 sections as such, tie 2 ponytails. Twist one over the other and then roll it up. Join them together and then push it through. Tie a ponytail and then take a section of the hair. At the bottom, make a braid. Now, taking the upper section, tie a rubber band at the base and then roll the hair in on itself. Pull the braid through this and then roll it up. Use a multiple-prong pin to pin it in place. Take a section of the hair from the left side and then tie a rubber band to it. Do the same on the right side. Roll each of the sides in on themselves. Tie a low ponytail, divide the hair into 2 parts as such. Tie a rubber band at the base. Once more, roll the hair in on itself. Roll it up into a bun accordingly. Take 2 sections of the hair, join it at the back, repeat the step 2 more times. At the base, tie a low ponytail, add a rubber band at the bottom. Roll it up into a bun accordingly. Take a section from the left side, tie a rubber band to it. Make a division in the middle and roll the hair in on itself. Do this on either side. Join them together at the back, tie a rubber band in the middle. Roll the hair in on itself once more, pull it through. Join 2 more sections of the hair from either side at the back, roll it in on itself, tighten it. Leave out a section from the front and then braid the rest of the hair. Roll this braid upwards and pin it up in place. Take the rest of the section, wrap it around the braid. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it and then tie another rubber band in the middle. Pull 2 or 3 more sections of the hair through this central portion that is present. Thank you for watching.